What? Are you joking? It's not a good time for the battery to stop. Okay. New battery. Okay, so what I've done is I've done that one, just sprayed it with a bit of hammer, right? And now I've just done this side, and it needs a little bit more, I think. And then we'll come back in a couple of days when it's gone hard, really hard, and we can put the red coat on. Yes, red coat. Right, what I've done is I've fitted a wide angle lens here, so you can call me Fishman, so we can have a better look at the problem with the exhaust. Okay, now you see what it is. Right, so it comes off the exhaust there, and it comes along here, and this rubber moulding has broken. So the question is, can I repair this rubber moulding or not? Or can I get the rubber moulding off and try, he says, try and get another one. Oh God, joke with me. Really? All right. What's happened? It's just come off of everything, is it? Try again then. There we go. I don't think it's going to work. I'm going to give it a go. Try tightening one more time. Where are you going to go now? Okay. Try tightening one more time. Well, it's not moving. Sod now. It might have worked. I don't know. Now, unfortunately, I couldn't get as many good shots as I wanted to with this camera. So I took some still photos, and you can see what I attempted to do to try and hold it up. Right, so where's that bit? That still feels loose. Yeah. That's that. I'm hoping that where's the other one? There he is. Right, let's see, I'll go that way. Go in. In you go. Good lad. I'll try this one. If nothing else, this should hold at least. Stop it dragging on the floor, he says, hopefully. So at least I can get to a doobie station. It's quite secure. Sorry, I pushed stop by mistake. Right, so hello, welcome down under. Right, so I've cable tied it to what should be this rubber thing. I definitely need a new one of them. But at least it will hold the exhaust up until I can get to a garage, because I'm not going to be able to do this myself. This is a sausage of a sausage, isn't it? Look at that. There we go. Actually, while we're under here, have a quick look. So that goes to there. This is attached, just like the there's a bracket on the exhaust. And obviously, from this cable tie, it looks like someone's done it before, even though I did take to have it fixed. So where the cable tie comes in, that's here, I don't know. Right. Let's see if I can zoom out a bit. Oh god, I'm not going to do this. I have no idea. Should have a selfie stick really. Oh god, drop it. Oh god, dropped it. Is it still rolling? Yeah, it's still rolling. Okay. See, I could say to you I'm laying on a beach at the moment, but I'm not. I'm laying on the floor inside the awning of the motorhome. Now, undoubtedly you know that I tow a smart car with Joan Buss, fitted in this Android into the smart car, which is good. The this under here, the cigarette lighter. Well, that was a job because the fuse went, not to find the fuse. But I sorted that out. Well, that was a performance, I tell you. Okay, I just watched a video that told me that the number 21 fuse, which is for the cigarette lighter, is under the steering wheel bit. But it was a foreign car, and I looked underneath it and there was nothing. Well, foreign car, you know. It was an American person, so, but it was on, when I looked for it, it was under this side, on the left hand side, on the passenger side in the UK. That was weird. So the steering wheel and everything just goes on the left hand side, and the fuse box and everything's on the same. So I'm going to try and change this fuse. Hopefully it's number 21. I like the way they're numbered though, I will tell you that much. It's a blue one, it says. Oh gosh. So I can't see any numbers. I know there are numbers, but I'm just, oh there we are. There it is, right in front of me, of course it is. Number 21. That one. Hopefully this one. Yeah, you just take it out like that. Has it not got a doobie-doo thing that you pull it out with? No! Okay. I'll have to use my fingers. Right, use pair pliers. I like it when people on YouTube say, if this doesn't work, I can't use this bit of video or something. But then you wouldn't put it on YouTube if it didn't work. Now I'm going to try and get this out, and if it works you'll see it. If it doesn't work you won't see it, but then you won't know whether or not I've done it or not with this tool, because you won't put it on there to see if it's not. Now this is the one that's supposedly blood, number 21, and it has. Right, so I need a small 15. There's a 15 and it comes out of hole number 21, and that's where you find the fuse for the cigarette lighter in a smart car, smart for you 2 thing, the one that sits under there. Yeah, excellent. This is a British car, so if you're watching this in a foreign land than Britain, it's under the steering wheel. In the UK, and all right-hand drive cars, is that right? Yeah. In right-hand drive cars, it's under the passenger seat. In left-hand drive cars, it's under the steering wheel. Love it. The fuse changed, so now that works. So that's that. I'm also fitting in the rear view camera and the front camera. I do prefer to have an Android, actually. I find it much easier, and also if you get stuck in traffic jams. But needless to say, I put the cable through to the back, which I still haven't done yet, so the wire will come, instead of coming up from underneath here, this bit of wire for the rear view camera, it will come out here and then go about here, or maybe here, or here. I'll mark it with a cross so that I know. Yeah, that'll do. This towing brake cable can get a bit stuck now and again, so I do put a bit of grease down the end of it. So, and that looks like I'll have to clear it out and then put some more grease in it. There you go. Scrummy yummy.